How to redeem code in Lagofast. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to download the specific version of Lagofast depending on your operating system. Just head out to their official site. That's going to be lagofast.com. This is going to be their website. For you to be able to choose the appropriate operating system that you're using, just hover your mouse into products. This is where you can download either of these options here. So if you're downloading this for your console game booster, then choose on this one for Mac, for mobile, and for your Windows. And once you've downloaded it, you just simply ensure that you will be installing it completely. And this is what it should look like once you have completed installation. Redeem the code, just simply click on this option here, it just says redeem a code. And of course, you will be asked to log in or even to create an account with Lagofast. You can go ahead and continue to log in using your Google Mail account or the other option available. That's it. That's how you redeem code in Lagofast.